everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this series of Laravel API development, we covered most thing like CRUD operation, resource, etc., pagination, custom API. So now today we will discuss about sign up API, because sign up and login API is very important, and after that we will discuss about token, etc. So let's get started. So for that we use a model which is existing model, user model. So we want a controller for it. So just run php artisan make controller user controller minus resource, and if you want for API then minus API. So it is created, and now go at here user controller, and in this artisan create 5 method, and for future purpose we can use, but now for this tutorial we want only store method. So like sign up method. Okay, so now creating route for it. Route post sign up, and at here we will use store, not sign up as method, and it is yeah, it is already enabled. Now go to store method, and at here we will use first we will validate information, and then create user. Currently not creating token, we will create token after some time. So commenting for this. Okay, and okay, fine. Now like for store we should use this method, this model. So import namespace. Now it is fixed, and now checking for story sign up API. Student sign up, and now go for like case, and password is, and it is giving 500 error. Now checking for it. Okay, has method not found. So it is very Thunder client give option for it to check preview also, like response is this but preview is this. So it is saying has method is not available. So go to controller, user controller, and at here we use has, but we do not imported this namespace. So use import from facade. Now check again, Now our sign up is done, and if we want to check, then we can also check inside user table. Yeah, Mukesh is created. Now we will talk for token. If user want to create token, then how can use that? So for token we use, if anyone created, then create token, and at here we can pass any name like SMS, student management system, and this token created, so we'll pass at here. Now student sign up again. Now create another user like Deep. Now it is giving internal error. Okay, call to undefined method app model user create token. Okay, so go for user model, and now one thing is missing. One thing is missing. This has API token must be as trait. Now import this namespace. Now check again, sign up. Again internal error, cannot use. I think second, I think it should be another. Another namespace, not this namespace. Okay, now it is giving SQL state integrity constant valuation duplicate entry. Okay, if any this email IDs exist, then it will not create again. Okay, so for that, like Siva, at the rate, and send. Now it is created, and now token is this. So via this method we can generate sign up API, and we can also use token. Now check inside database. Now it is done. Now if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel, and please like to my channel. Thanks for watching.